pull the brush, the rolling brush. I'm able to pull. All right, today I'm going to show you how to clean the brush on a Shark Robo Vacuum Cleaner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to clean the brush head. Flip this over. This is the Shark Vacuum Cleaner. I'm going to show you how to clean this out. So see right here, there's a lot of hair in there. And we're going to remove this hair out of the Shark Vacuum Cleaner. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out. I'm going to clean it and replace it, the brush back in here. All right, so what I did was I had the Shark Vacuum Cleaner, flipped it over. But before I do it, make sure the power's off. If you have the power switch, flip it over. All right, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the head out. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach for the latch and pull that up. And once it pulls up, I can take this out. Now, if there's debris on it, what I'll do is just simply pick the debris out. All right, so I've done that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pull the brush, the rolling brush, out. You see, this is a certain way that goes in. Remember how you pull it out. That way you know how to put it back in. So pull this out, and you can see that there's hair tied into this. It's wrapped around. Sometimes you might get floss or some other string. It gets caught up in there, and you want to clean that out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first pick the dirt that is in here, put the head to the side, the roller to the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and I have just a damp cloth, and I'm just going to wipe it down, never touching any of the metal parts with this. It's powered off, and just wipe it out just to clean out the gunk. You may want to take something like a pick or something if things are caked in and run it through there to get all the things that are caked in, and then take the cloth and wipe it down. Then you'll take the dry cloth and wipe it out just like that. You see that? So once I've done that, that's all cleared, clean and clear. I'm going to go ahead and get to the roller, the brush head roller on the Shark RoboVac. And right here, there is hair that is wrapped around the roller. So what I'll do is I'll have some scissors, and you can simply just take some scissors and just simply cut the hair out, okay? We have some people take a razor. I just have scissors and I cut that. And so when I cut that, I'm able to pull that off just like that. You see that? There's a lot in there. So I'm going to take a little bit of elbow grease to get underneath there and really get the hair out, okay? So once you have this chunk, you can simply discard of it in the trash. I don't know if you collect it, but you can do that. So I have it off of the main head. The next thing you want to do is come around the edges, because on the edges, it wraps around right here. So you move this. And doing this will actually allow your battery to last longer. See, there's some tied up in here. Let's see if I can get this off right here. There is latch. I'm just going to take pointed edge, see if that can pop off. Simply pressing down on here to release this. If not, I'm not going to worry too much about it, just for video purposes. Nah, I'm not going to worry about it. So I'm going to just try this right here. Perhaps you can take a razor and you can just cut the hair off out of this. Okay, in doing so, there's some lint. Just pull it out. But you'll want to get this out. Just simply just get a lot of it out just like that. So once you have that all out, you can, if you want to, just take the cloth and wipe this off. But I wouldn't worry too much about that. If you got the hair and the lint off of it, it's going to get dirty again. But you just wipe it down. There's a big chunk of lint right here. So what I'm going to do is try to get this in here, pluck the lint out of it. So there's a chunk of lint right there. And then simply wipe the edges and then put it back in like you got it. So it lines up. This right here has to be face down, and this right here lines up into the slot right here. So I'm gonna slide this side in, make sure it goes down flat right there, and then put this back into place. And another thing is, you want, if you have the sweepers, the edge sweepers, you want to pull off the hair off of that. If you have a lot of hair tied down in there, you can use, I think that's a star wrench screw right here, and you can pull the hair out. But the main part is this right here. There's not hair tied up in there. The way they have it designed, it's a great design. So once you have that, you just simply remove that, remove the lint from this side, and there you have it. Now you're ready to go vacuum again using, oh, you gotta turn the power switch back on, the Shark Robo Vacuum Cleaner. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.